Now, it really doesn't matter which marketing tool you are using. Tracking your metrics and analyzing your results is the key to success. Analyzing your data will help you understand your audience. It will tell you how they are doing things, what they prefer, and who they are. In the case of Instagram, analyzing your data will show you how to target a different audience, post at certain times of the day, or experiment with a new content format. Instagram marketers actually have dozens of powerful metric tools at their disposal, and some of the best ones doesn't cost a thing. Here is a few of my favorite free Instagram analytic tools. The first one, of course, is the Instagram Insights. To use the Instagram Insights, you must first have a business profile on Instagram. If you are still using a personal account, you can switch to a business profile by following these steps. First and foremost, you have to make sure that your Instagram profile is public. Private profiles cannot be used for business. When switching to a business profile, you might be prompted to link to a Facebook page. In order to have a business account, you must also have a Facebook page for your brand. Instagram will give you the option to create a new Facebook page for your brand during the process of switching to a business account, that is, if you don't already have one. To view the insights into your overall Instagram account, start by visiting your profile. Then on the top right hand corner here, tap on the three lines and then on the Insight feature from the options that appear. That will now take you to your account analytic insights. The Insights tool here will show you a measure of the actions people take when they engage with your account. It will also show you a measure of how many people see your content and where they found it on Instagram, the number of unique accounts that have seen any of your posts, and the total number of times all your posts have been seen. You also have the content tab here that will show you all the posts that you have been posting on your account with the number of times the posts have been seen. The final tab here is the audience tab, which will give you details about your followers. Now you need to understand that you need to have up to 100 followers before this tab will be activated. Now the next free analytic tool will be Square Loving. The free Square Loving Instagram Insight tool will provide you with information you need to conduct an analysis on your progress over the year. For instance, with Square Loving, you can obtain a monthly analysis of your post or a history of your post broken down by month, day, or even hours. Additionally, the tool offers insight into your followers, their interests, and how they drive further engagements to your posts. With this tool, you can even figure out the best time to post, that is, depending on when your followers are most likely on the Instagram app. My next favorite analytic tool will be Union Metrics. The Union Metrics tool offers a free monthly Instagram checkup. The monthly checkups will tell you which hashtags will increase your engagement. It will also tell you which post resonates best with your audience, and of course, just like the Square Loving analytic tool, it will also show you what time your followers use the Instagram app. Now, although the Union Metrics tool does not give you analytics beyond 30 days, it's still a useful option for taking a look at short-term themes and patterns and learning how you can quickly improve your metrics. So, those are my favorite Instagram analytic tools, and in my opinion, they are the best free Instagram analytic tools you can find online. I hope this was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video.